Hello students, today we are going to see in MySQL pattern matching and like operator. This is very interesting topic when you are having data in your table in database and you want to filter some records on the basis of character matching. That time you can use this pattern matching using like operator, this one. So what is the basic idea of this pattern matching? So it is used for when you are matching with strings. If you are matching with integer, that time you can use other operators like equal to, less than equal to, less than, greater than equal to, not equal to. That will be used with numeric value, but when you are using strings, characters, and you want to compare it, then you can use this like operator and character matching, pattern matching technique. So we have two characters in our MySQL, that is called wildcard character. This is called wildcard character. Which character? The first is, that is %. This represents a substring in any length, and second one is underscore. This represents a single character. So first string, first one, percentage, it will match any character of any length. Like when you are comparing and filtering name, so suppose you want to filter name with a letter, and after a it can have 4 characters, 5 characters, 6 characters. So for flexible length, for any length, you can use this % symbol. So here in example you can see a %. A % means what? Means a name which has first letter as A, and after that it can be anything of any number of characters, like America, Amar, Aman, Ansh, anything. So first letters must be A, and after that it should be of anything with any length of characters. So you can write, similarly you can write B %, means any string starts with B and after that any number of characters. Next one is underscore. This underscore represents one character, means if you want to match two characters, then you have to give 2 underscore. If you want to match 3 characters, then you have to give 3 underscore. So here you can see in example 2 underscore then A, means before A any 2 characters can come. Okay, so any 2 characters can come before, like C, CEA, C. B, key, KEA, key. So in these words, last letter is A and first two letters are any character, but only two characters will come. It will not have 3 characters or 4 characters before A. If you want 3 characters, 4 characters before A, that time you have to use %A. Means instead of this 2 underscore, if you write %A, then it will compare with all those characters whose last character is A. So third example is underscore %B. What is the meaning of this? So B will be second letter, first letter can be anything, and after B any characters of any length can be there. So like that it can come. So what can be there? Absent, absent का spelling ABSENT, absent. Absorbed, so AB, then after that anything can come. Absent, absconding. These words are having first letter A and second letter B. Obtained, O and B, then anything. Obtained, obtuse, obstacle. So here O will come and second letter must be B, and after B anything can be there. So it is one example. Next example is this triple underscore in single quote. So any word which has only 3 letters can be compared. Any word like can, man, fan, car, dawn, fan, anything can be of 3 letter will be compared by this. So how to write this select statement? So for that you have to write like this: select from table where name, if you want to search name starting from A, then you can write name like operator will be used. Here equal to operator will not come, because with wildcard characters only like this operator is used with this type of comparison. Second one is select all from student where name like %, means before seeing anything can come or after seeing anything can come, but this seeing string will be there in that name. Next one is select name city from student where class is class greater than 8 and name like %Kumar %. So here you can see two operators are being used. AND operator, this is combining two conditions. One condition is class greater than 8, means all should be of class 9, 10, 11, 12, and name must be, all name must have Kumar as a substring. So this way you can uh, use this wildcard character. I'll show an example uh, for this percent and an example for this underscore for your convenience, so that you can work easily on your computer. So this is our, you can increase your font size like this at your computer, and I will use my database. Database is my school, and table is student. So select all from student. So this is our data, and we are going to use wildcard characters, so that to use this string matching, pattern matching. So first of all, I will show you select all or select all from student where where name, field name is this name you have to use. It is you must clear in your mind. This name spelling is name, so this name is coming here. Same field name you have to write. Student name means student name, only name means name. So you have to be careful at this place. फील्ड नेम सेम होना चाहिए, जैसा टेबल में फील्ड का नाम है, कॉलम का नाम है, वैसा है यहाँ देना है, तब जाकर के आपका सही क्वेरी बनेगा. तो वेयर नेम लाइक, LIKE लाइक, वेयर नेम लाइक, what you want to show, you want to show name like S%, and so what it will give, S means starting letter must be S, then after that any letter of any length. So here you see the select spelling is mistake, so it is this one we have to keep in mind while typing select, then select all from student where name like S%. So you can see here all names are coming in output, which is starting by letter S. So Suman, Sunita, Sumit, all are having first letter S, and after that it is matching anything. So पहला लेटर S है, बाकी सुमन, सुनीता, सुमित, वाजपेयी, देवी, anything it is giving. So this is the first query. Next query is select all from a student where percent and percent, then anything, then means in name letter should come at any place. एक साथ कहीं भी नाम में आना चाहिए. So again same problem, that spelling, wrong spelling I have selected. Select, then this one. So when you press like this, is Suman and Sumit is having it should come. So select and gap should not be there. So you can see here, percent means before anything, and last percent means after anything. So all Kumar is having and before Kumar this Manoj K is there, and Suman is having Sumit is having Amar is having Kumar, and Kumar word is having substring. So every name has substring, that's why it is giving all the names in table. Okay, next example we will see. Select underscore 3 4 5 and close. 5 underscores I have given. So all those names whose length is of 5 characters, सारे नेम जिसका लेंथ 5 characters का ही है वही आउटपुट में आएगा. So you can see here the Sumit only name is there in table which has only 5 characters in the name. So this is coming, so it is fixed characters. Okay, next is next example I will show. I will give only 2 underscore and then m, then after 2 letter m letter should be there, and after that anything, for anything we can give percent. So see here, third letter 2 underscore means 2 characters and third letter must be m. So these 2 name having third letter m and remaining 2 letters before m, 2 letters are there and after m anything. So this is only matching the criteria. Third letter as m, only these 2 name is having. सिर्फ 2 नाम में थर्ड लेटर m है. So from table these 2 letter is coming like this. So in this way you can use this pattern matching wildcard character, that is underscore and percent. So percent and underscore is now it is clear to you, and you practice it at home, and we will meet in next class with other commands. Till then, thank you very much.